Energy sector is part of the sectors we focus on in Asia. However, it's not the exclusive sector we're looking to invest in. As an energy-rich region, the GCC or the Gulf countries in general will continue to be a capital surplus region, and we'll have to look outside their borders to invest. And I think looking for financial returns across Asia, you have to broaden your outlook. We're very much focused on the domestic demand story in Asia. We want to be in Asia when Asia becomes a consumer of its goods and services. And we think that it's going to be driven by the increase or the rise of the middle class, as we've seen, to become more consumptive of goods and services, as well as the fact that there will be opportunities in investing in businesses that will also emerge as global leaders, such as we've seen in, for example, Korea. China today has some of the leading technology companies in the telecom sector, and so on and so forth. Generally in Asia, funds tend to be much smaller than the US. I think that will not be the case in the future. I think there will be increasing flows of directed capital or managed capital in Asia. Our ambition is to increase our scale. We have, over the 4 or 5 years, been focused on managing our internal capital, so acting more like principals in our investment mandate. And we've only started this year to start opening our mandate to other investors and third-party capital providers. I think volatility is something an investor has to get comfortable with in emerging markets, and in fact volatility has been a factor in global markets. If you've just recently looked at some of the European markets or the swings in the US markets, volatility has come hand in hand with those markets. We see volatility as an opportunity. We think that to understand our markets in depth and to understand when stocks are single stocks, again, it's about stock selection and not the broader market. We're not allocators to the market, but we're very stock specific. We try and understand those stocks and buy into them when we feel that they've been oversold. By the very nature of these markets, volatility is a factor you have to live with and you have to manage for.